I'm Schuey, and in this video I'm going to unbox and set up my new pit barrel cooker. These pit barrel cookers, or PBCs, are known to be hot and fast game changers. Look, it even states it on the box. For those of you still in shock, yes, I use other barbecues. Now just sit back, grab a drink or two, and let's get into it. Well, it's a nice looking box, plenty of info printed on it, and the graphics look really good. But it's the contents that matter. First up, we may need some tools to put this pit barrel together. There, now we can get started. Always make sure you use the right tool for the job at hand. So what do we get? First up, a little Ziploc bag, and it looks like we have the normal sticker that you get with most products, a greeting card from the owners, which is pretty nice, a lid assembly guide, a user's guide, and a welcome guide, which does happen to have some of their accessories in it. Next up, looks like we've got the lid, and what's this? Oh, this is the 3-point stand, the standard grill grate, and a little box. And inside that little box, we should have our 8 stainless steel hanging hooks, our handle, our little screws and nuts to fix it. Oh, look at that. Some bonus little tools. Next up is the charcoal basket. Next up is the 30-gallon drum itself. And in here we should have, yep, the 2 hanging rods and the hook remover tool. That seems easy enough. Assembly should be quick and painless. Now, the pit barrel cookers do have a lot of accessories. Now, I'm a sucker for extras, but this time I decided to just get one up front. The hinged grill seemed like the most logical choice to grab. So if I want to hang meat and I still want to put a side dish in there to warm up, what I can do is turn the grill upside down, and that allows you to hang your meat on one side and still have something on that side of the grate. It's this sort of thinking that sets the good apart from the average. Now, the instructions do show you, but it is quite clear the way you attach the handle is so it's central to the lid once it's affixed. And by including the tools to do this is a nice little touch. Not everyone has every tool in their garage. It's the little things that count. Setting up the whole unit seems pretty straightforward from here. We have the 3-point stand, the barrel itself, the charcoal basket, the grill grate, the hanging rods, and the stainless steel hooks. And then the lid. Now all we need to do is adjust that bottom vent to our elevation to sea level. Yes, you heard that correct. You adjust that bottom vent to the height you are situated from sea level. Now, where I live is 101 meters above sea level. So as you can see by the instructions, if I'm between 0 and 600 meters, I need to leave that bottom vent open a quarter of the way. As you can see, the vent doesn't close fully anyway. That's it, done. Set once and never change again. And the small gaps around the hanging rods are the exhaust for the PBC. These pit barrel cookers are built to hold temps anywhere between 135 degrees Celsius and 165 degrees Celsius for 6 to 7 hours on a full charcoal basket of fuel. You apparently fill the entire charcoal basket up with fuel, and then you remove about a quarter of it and put it in a chimney starter. And this is going to equate to about 40 briquettes. And then you're going to light that up. Now, it depends on your elevation from sea level, but anyone from 0 to 2,000 feet, which I fit in that category, you only want those briquettes alight for about 12 to 15 minutes, and then you dump it in. And then you can start cooking straight away. Now, hopefully you've subscribed to my channel by now. And while you're there, hit that bell button. That bell button is going to allow you to be notified every time I upload new content. Today, we are setting up a pit barrel cooker, and all up, the construction took less than 30 minutes. So for those of you who follow my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer assembly. Now, don't get sad, it might be only a 1 beer assembly, but think of all those cold beers you're gonna have in the future cooking on your new PBC. So after putting the pit barrel together, before I tackle my first cook, what are my thoughts? I love how it's coated in porcelain enamel. Smart move. I love the fact that once I've set that front vent, I don't have to change it again. That is a great concept, and I think that's going to appeal to a lot of people cooking on charcoal for the first time, because it's a set and forget type of cooking. I love the fact that I could pack this up, take it away camping and have it set up within a minute. Did you know there's a Schueys Facebook page and Instagram account? You do now. Well, that's it. It's all put together and I can't wait to start running this PVC through its paces and see if their slogan is correct. That slogan being, join the Barrelution. As always, cheers for watching.